Hello students, welcome back to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading notes related to ICSE Board Class 6 Geography. Today, in this video, we are going to see Class 6 Geography Chapter 2, Landforms of the Earth. This is the part 1 of this series. Come on, let us move on to see the question and answers. Question number 1. Question number 1. Define relief features or landforms. The variations on the Earth's surface are known as relief features or landforms. Question number 2. The landforms have been created and developed by two types of forces. They are A. Endogenic forces, B. Exogenic forces. Question number 3. Define endogenic forces. The forces which originate from within the earth, means from inside the earth, are called endogenic forces or tectonic forces. These forces create irregularities on the earth's surface. They cause upliftment and subsidence of the earth's surface. What is meant by upliftment? Upward movement. And subsidence is nothing but low-lying areas. A sudden creation of low-lying area is called subsidence. Next question. Define exogenic forces. Question number 4. Define exogenic forces. The forces which originate on the Earth's surface are called exogenic forces or gradational forces. These forces modify the irregularities created by the endogenic forces. They continuously wear down and rebuild the land surface. Question number 5. Name the three major types of landforms. Number 1, mountains. Number 2, plateaus. Number 3, plains. Sixth question. How are mountains formed? Mountains are formed when large parts of the Earth's crust are folded, faulted, or deformed. Seventh question. Name the three types of mountains. Fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Question number 8. Define fold mountains. The fold mountains are formed due to folding of rock strata. Folding occurs when two horizontal forces act towards a common plane from opposite directions. This creates wave-like bends called folds. Ninth question. Give examples of fold mountains. The Himalayas, the Andes, the Aravalli, the Appalachian. 10th one. Write down the characteristics of fold mountains. These are the youngest mountains on the earth. Most of them have been formed from the sedimentary rocks. Their length is much more than their width. They are arc-shaped. Now, 11th question. 11th one, explain the two types of fold mountains. The two types are young fold mountains and old fold mountains. Young fold mountains. The fold mountains that have formed recently are called young fold mountains. These mountains are very high, have steep slopes and conical peaks. The Himalayas, the Rockies, the Andes, the Atlas, the Alps and the Great Dividing Range are examples of young fold mountains. Then old fold mountains. The fold mountains that have formed much earlier are called old fold mountains. The mountains are low, have gradual slopes and rounded peaks. The Aravalli, the Ural and the Appalachian are examples of old fold mountains. Let me read it out once again. The Aravalli, the Ural and the Appalachian are examples of old fold mountains. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another set of questions in part 2 of this video series.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.